Welcome to 90 Flinders Crescent in Boronia Heights. This is a great family home. Come through with me. Plenty of off-street parking here. Delightful front gardens. Front veranda, this keeps the house cool. Crimson safe front door. Front lounge and kitchen with raked ceiling feature. Good storage in this kitchen. Wall oven. Overlooking the rear yard, so you can watch the children. And the adjacent dining area. With glass sliding door to outside. Linen cupboard. 3 bedrooms. Main bedroom with reverse cycle air conditioner, all with built-ins. Gorgeous children's room overlooking the rear yard. And newly renovated separate toilet and bathroom. Done very tastefully. With black tapware. Open plan living. Through to the covered entertaining area. Overlooking the gorgeous rear yard here. And potential office, playroom, currently used as a playroom for the children here with power. Door access to the garage and laundry. And then you have this stunning space here. Plenty of room to put the pool in or extra shed. So potential side access. Children's playhouse, garden shed, so lovely family home set in a quiet area of Boronia Heights with so much potential. My name's Claire Franklin. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.